Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how papaya juice is made, from fresh fruit to the bottle. Don't forget to subscribe for more factory documentaries like this. Precision processing ensures consistent texture, flavor, and nutritional quality.
Train wax tape.
Every stage is carefully controlled to meet strict food safety and quality standards. Each bottle is thoroughly tested before leaving the factory. And that's how papaya juice is made, from fresh fruit to your bottle.